If I could only buy 5 stocks this month, these would be the ones. In this video, I'm breaking down my June 2025 watch list. 5 stocks I'm buying or watching closely, plus a quick reason for each one. Let's jump right in. Stock number 1, Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft continues to dominate in AI and cloud computing. Their Azure platform is experiencing impressive growth, and their investment in OpenAI has really paid off. This is a blue-chip pick with significant upside potential in both software and infrastructure. With the ongoing digital transformation, Microsoft remains a solid choice. Stock number 2, Meta Platforms. Meta is back on top thanks to innovations like Threads and AI-powered advertising. They've streamlined operations and shifted focus towards scalable revenue growth, which has turned around investor sentiment. With their strong user base and commitment to enhancing engagement, Meta is a compelling growth stock right now. Stock number 3, American Waterworks, AWK. This utility stock often flies under the radar, but it's a gem. Water is an essential resource, and AWK offers stability, growth, and a solid dividend. It's perfect for long-term portfolios, especially in a market that values reliable income streams. Investing in water utilities is a smart move for those looking for consistent returns. Stock number 4, SoFi Technologies, SoFi. SoFi is making waves in the fintech space by expanding its banking ecosystem and attracting a younger customer base. With rising interest rates and continued user growth, it's one of the best long-term plays in fintech right now. Their innovative approach to personal finance is resonating with consumers, making it a stock to watch closely. Stock number 5, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSM. The AI chip boom isn't slowing down, and TSM is at the center of it all. As the leading manufacturer for tech giants like Apple, NVIDIA, and AMD, TSM is well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for AI technology. As AI continues to grow, so does TSM's value, making it a critical player in the tech landscape. These 5 stocks give you a balanced approach: stability with Microsoft and American Waterworks, growth potential with Meta and SoFi, and global demand plus tech exposure with Taiwan Semiconductor. As always, do your own research. This isn't financial advice, but it is what I'm looking at right now.